Welcome to Hard Hat Engineer. In this video, you'll learn about isolation valves. You will learn about function, types, uses, and advantages of isolation valves. Let's get started. The isolation valve is a type of valve used to either completely block or allow the flow of a fluid in a pipeline. It is not meant for flow control or regulation, but rather for isolating a section of the system for maintenance, safety, or emergencies. So, it is a function of the valve rather than the type of valve. Now let's look at the key function of isolation valve. The primary function of an isolation valve is to block or completely isolate the flow within a pipeline, ensuring safe and efficient system operation. These valves can be operated manually or through automated mechanisms like pneumatic, hydraulic, or electric actuators, depending on the application. A key feature of isolation valves is their ability to provide a tight seal when in the closed position, effectively preventing any leakage. Additionally, some isolation valves are designed with bidirectional flow capability, allowing them to seal off flow from either direction, enhancing their versatility and reliability in various industrial systems. As you know, there are many types of valves available, but which one would you use for isolation? Valves that can provide reliable sealing known as bubble-tight sealing when fully closed are used for isolation. Here, you can see the list of commonly used valve types as an isolation valve. Gate valves are most commonly used for isolation in straight-line flow systems, providing a simple and effective way to block or allow fluid movement. Ball valves, known for their quick and better shutoff capabilities, are particularly suitable for high-pressure applications. Butterfly valves with bubble-tight shutoff are used in low-pressure systems. Plug valves have a straightforward design and are often favored for quick isolation actions. There are a few other types as well that can be used for isolation. Check my course to learn more about 18 different types of valves used in piping. Link is given in the description. Where and when isolation valves are used? Isolation valves are used in industrial applications to enhance system safety, enable efficient maintenance, and support operational flexibility. One of their primary uses is to isolate specific sections of a pipeline or equipment for maintenance, inspection, or repair without disrupting the flow in the rest of the system. For example, in a process plant, an isolation valve can block the flow to a heat exchanger or pump, allowing technicians to work safely on that equipment. They are also critical in ensuring safety during emergencies, such as in the event of a pipeline rupture or a hazardous fluid leak. Isolation valves can quickly stop the flow, preventing further damage and containing the spill. In systems that handle dangerous or corrosive fluids, such as chemicals, acids, or gases, isolation valves act as a barrier to protect personnel and equipment from exposure during an emergency. Isolation valves are often used during startups and shutdowns. During system startup, isolation valves can gradually introduce fluid into the system by opening them sequentially. Similarly, during a shutdown, they can isolate different sections to ensure a controlled and safe stoppage. In pipeline networks or distribution systems, isolation valves play a crucial role in flow management, enabling operators to direct flow to specific branches or isolate sections for expansion or modification. For instance, in a utility supply network, isolation valves can stop flow to a particular area for pipeline repairs while maintaining utility supply to other areas. In short, it is a must-have feature of any process plant operation. In the last section of this video, let's have a look at some advantages and disadvantages. Isolation valves offer several advantages. They protect personnel and equipment during maintenance or emergencies by safely blocking the flow of fluids. By isolating only the necessary section of a system, they help minimize downtime and maintain operational efficiency. These valves also play a critical role in increasing safety, especially in systems handling hazardous fluids. However, they come with some disadvantages. If not fully opened, they can cause pressure drops in the system. Regular maintenance is often required to ensure reliable performance, and installation costs can be high, depending on the valve type and the complexity of the system. If you have any questions on the topic or want to request a video, please mention in the comment. This is the end of the video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. If you have a video topic in mind, drop it in the comments below.